Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see here, that one here is the weekly candle. And as you see it here, also we are in the weekly chart, guys. And what else we been telling you guys here in the weekly, that what exactly happened. Here's the last week we break, or that one 2 weeks here we break here, that one here. Then now the Bitcoin is showing to us that falling down here, or that black swan, how the people they call it now. I think everything very clear to you guys here. And here, look what the Bitcoin giving us here, guys. Here you see it. Try to give us here like a wage or a channel, but that one me I'm not focused about it. Me, I'm focused only about that channel here, guys. If the Bitcoin is going to give us here, break for us that lower channel here or no. And I'm going to show you something very important here in the weekly, guys. As you see, it is a very, very huge week. So let's wait in next week how it's going to finish. And as you see here, even here, the volume of that weekly candle was very, very, very big. And me, I tell it to you guys here, when we used to be here down in the 200 moving average here, I told you us we still in a downtrend and there is no confirmation yet, unless if it's breaking here, the 200 moving average. That's what me I've been telling you. Only thing for long-term investors, we're just buying. Also, we buying from here and we buying from here. So till now, also we got 2 positions, guys. And we got another one here at 12k. We don't know which one exactly is going to come, but till now also we're still in a downtrend, guys, because we can't exactly to know where is the bottom, because as you see, a lot of news, a lot of data every day, it's coming something new. But the most important, guys, you don't need to care about nothing. You just focus about those things here. As you see them, guys, me personally, I think that one where we are is the bottom. Maybe we're going to do like that, we're going to break, or we're going to go to the 12k, as majority of people they saying 10k. We don't know exactly. And also we don't try to time the bottom. That it's something very, very, very important, guys. You are in an accumulation level. Try to buy slowly by slowly. You don't know when is it the bus is going to start running, guys. And forget about all the media and everything. The only thing I tell it to you in the last videos, I told you, if you are someone who got a little bit of money, buy Ledger. Nano Ledger is a small USB drive. Use it, you store in it your Bitcoin. If you are a small investor, put your cryptocurrency in Binance. And there is the Trust wallet. You can use your phone or something, but me, I don't like the things to put it in your phone or something, because it happened to me before. I used to have the Dogecoin wallet in my phone, then I lose it. Everything was gone. So I think everything is too clear, guys. So if you are told you, if you got money by that USB hard drive and put in it your Bitcoin, if not, put it in Binance, because Binance is the biggest exchange in the world of crypto and no one can come next to it. The second one is Coinbase, depending where you are. If you are in America and you're watching me from America, there is 3 exchanges in America. Those ones a little bit. The first one is Coinbase, second one is Gemini, and the third one is Kraken. If you are around the world, use Binance. And even Bybit is a little bit, but the rest don't even come next to them, because majority of them, they are thieves. They just try to you put in, you deposit your money there, and then they use it like a bank, because the same thing the bank what they doing, guys. If all the citizens they go into the bank and they try to take it off the money of them from the banks they don't have nothing. So the same thing the bank now, I think they changing the law. Before they used to leave 10%, now is only 0%. So all your money they go out from your bank. There is nothing of the bank. That's why when someone he want all his money to take it off, they start funding for your problems. Exactly, if you got a lot of money, they don't want to give it to you in one go. And that's why also we want to use the crypto, because of those things. Yeah, I want to travel with my money. I don't want to leave it nowhere. Anywhere I want it, I take it off. That's why I move 50% from stock market to 50% of the crypto, and 25% now is it in stock, and 25% is it in Forex. Everything is too clear, guys. By the way, yes, you, my friend, are you not a subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day we put on for you two videos, guys, every day. Two videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very, very, very well updated about what the crypto market is doing right now. It's not something hard, just a red button down next to it, a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. Because in Telegram, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. And here in the weekly, guys, I got something I want to show it to you. Let me show it to you here. First thing, look with me, that the wage. And that one here, as you see it, guys, that one, me, I want it to be broken for me to enter long. If it doesn't being broke, that one, I'm not going to enter. And as you see here, that one, the lower of that wage, we've been touching it a lot of times now. And now is the another time. Now, either from here, we're going to break to go lower. And that was something very bad, guys. But if it's breaking lower, then it's go back. That means it's going to give us here a fake breakout. That's something good. And another thing, very, very, very important. I just saw it today in the chart of the weekly, guys. Let me show it to you because me, I don't hide nothing from you. Everything I show it to you. Is it that one, guys? Look with me here and here. What did you see, guys? Look here. Or you know what? Let's zoom it a little bit. For the picture to be more clear to you guys, as you see, guys, what you see in here. Here in that place, what you see in. You see that one? Is it lower? But here in that place, we just touch in here. You see it or no? Let me show it to you in the chart. Very, very close. For the picture to be more clear to you guys, we got here a divergence here in the weekly, guys. As you see it, from here in the chart to that place here, and here in our indicator, as you see it, guys, to here, we got a very, very clear divergence, guys. So that way, me, I told you, I'm still believing we are very close to the bottom, guys. Let's hope that one is the bottom. We will not fall down to that 12k, because as I told you, me personally, I'm holding the Bitcoin from here near to 40k, guys. From 30k, I'm holding the Bitcoin. I buy Bitcoin here, I buy here, and I buy here, and the last time I buy from here. And even if it fall down, I will buy, because me, I still have cash, guys. I don't have any problem with that, because me, I sell at 60 something, then I started buying slowly by slowly. Everything is too clear, guys, here. And let me show you the coming news for tomorrow for the picture to be more clear to you guys. The coming news for tomorrow, guys, there is nothing special, just the GDP of Japan, as you see it. But our table is telling us something very, very different here, guys. Look at it here, what it's telling us here today. As you see it, US stocks, not all of them here, they are green, guys, as you see it. The only one which is falling is the Bitcoin, because the bad news will came from that FTX. And our friend, that one also, we follow it every time, guys. What it's showing to us here, as you see it, the VIX is 22.52, guys. We are very close to 20. That's something very, very, very good. And here, the dollar index, guys, what it's showing to us, it's falling from that 112. So that 112, it's being the top. And also we are now at 106. That's something very good, guys. Let's see the coming days what they are going to bring for us. I think everything is too clear. Now let's go into the daily to see what is it there, guys, for the pictures to be more clear to you. Here we are in the daily, guys. In the daily, as you see here, that candle, it's finished here, that green one. So it's showing to us the market, it started falling down. But the good news here, we still have here the inside bar. And that's what me, I told you when the week finished in Friday. I told you we're going to stay sideways here. And that's what the market is showing here. Even sellers, there is no sellers. And even the volume lower is very low. So now either a candle to come and to break lower here like that. It's meant to open here and to close here. So it's going to break for us that inside bar, and that is going to confirm for us the Bitcoin, it will falling down, or another candle to come and to break like that, to break upward here, guys. So let's wait in the coming days, guys, what they are going to bring for us. And here in the daily, what we got, we still have those levels, guys. As you see, that level here, when we break it, it's being reacting here like a resistance. And that one here, last time it's acting like a support. Let's see now if it's going to act like a support again, or this time it will not act like a support and it will be broken. And here we go, that trend line, or that wage me are showing you. And that one here in the top is the long-term uptrend. It's being broken. But those ones, they are just lines, guys. You don't need to care about them a lot. Also, we're just trying to accumulating for long-term, guys. Everything is too clear here. By the way, did you smash the like button, my friend? Yes, you. Did you smash the like button? Please go ahead and do it. A helping us. You know that channel without you it can growing up. It's not something hard, it's just a few seconds, my friend. Pause the video now, smash in the thumbs up, writing down a comment. It will not take you that much. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend, and I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. Now it's going to say our indicators what the same for the pictures to be more clear to you guys. That one here, I showed it to you before. I told you got here a divergence. I show it to you here, but that one it's just an oscillator, guys. And here in the daily, in the weekly, yes. Now the last hope we still have is the monthly candle. We need to see it how it's going to finish. And that one here it's showing to us, yes, also we got a divergence and we are in a stronger level. But till now there is no price action here indicating for us the market is going to reverse. The only price action we have is that one. That channel may I show it to you before. So we need to wait it to be broken here in the top and to break for us the 200 moving average. That's something very good, but till now there is nothing confirmed, guys, here, or to give us here a double bottom or something like how it happened here. That is going to indicate for us the market is going to reverse, but till now everything is still possible, guys, either to fall down or either from here to go back up. So for long-term investors, just try to collect cash and stay waiting the right moment, guys. Try to accumulate in, buy Bitcoin and store it. That's it. Buy Bitcoin and store it. Remember that. Also, we are here in a very low discount, guys. Make it like that. You find something in the market, you know it in the future is going to worth a lot of money, and now you find it cheaper. Buy it and store it. And forget about everything, all that news, all that media and everything. All of them, they just try to make you scared, guys. And I tell you that before thousands of times. I told you it's just an emotional game. It's just an emotional game. It just want to play at you and to make you to get scared and to sell in losses. Don't ever, never sell in losses. Everything is too clear? Now, let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. In the 4 hours, we came here, we touch here that level. Now it's showing it going back there again, as you see it. But here, we don't got any price action indicating for us we need to enter long. The only thing I told you before, you need to make a close eye at that level here or at that level here. Either a candle to come to break here or a candle to come to break here. That was me I told you in the last 2 videos, guys. Till now it's showing the market here, it's falling. But the volume is very low, guys. So we don't know what's going to happen. Either those people, they getting scared here, they started liquidating. Because that selling off which is happening here is the selling off of small investors, not big whales. The big whales, they started accumulating Bitcoin, guys, and they buying and they storing it. So even you do the same, buy and hide it, guys. It will not get spoiled, nothing will happen to it. Everything is too clear. And here, as you see it, guys, he tried to give us here like a wedge or a triangle or something like that. But that one, it's not that clear, because for us to know it is a triangle, it needs to give us the top of it like that to make another wave. Because us, as I told you before, us we been coming from a big falling down, guys. And me, I told you that when we touch here, what did I told you? I told you we're going to stay sideways here till all the people, they losing the hope. Everyone lose the hope in the Bitcoin. Then you're going to see a big moving going up, guys. Me, I remember that exactly in 2015, guys. In 2015, the Bitcoin, when it's breaking 6,000 K or $6,000, me, I said, and I've been talking with someone, I told them, you know, the Bitcoin bubble, bye-bye. We will not see the Bitcoin anymore. But it came down till 3,000, and after that we see it going till 60K, guys. Now the same thing here, it's happening, guys. The history, it's every time repeat itself. So also we need to wait in here a price action, guys. Everything is too clear. Now it's going to say our indicators, guys, what the same for the pictures to be more clear to you. That one here, also we draw it in the last video, that one, because of the divergence will happen and we pushing all that. And also we are the only channel we tell you from here is going to fall down. Now we touch here, as you see it, and here, as I told you in the last videos, the volume is very low here, and also we're coming from oversold area, guys. So now either to give us here a divergence maybe, then after that we're going to see the Bitcoin going higher, but from here, me personally, I know it is going to go higher, guys. But that not a financial advice, guys. If you buy the Bitcoin, buy it in your responsibility. And make sure you are someone responsible. Don't come to me in the future and blaming me. We are just giving you my analysis, guys. Everything is too clear. Now it's going to show our other indicator what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. The one here, also we are here at the oversold area. but we don't got any price action here indicating for the market is going to reverse. So we need to still waiting, guys, till a price action came to us, or maybe it's going to fall down more. If you remember here, look here where we enter to the oversold area till where, till here. Now it's entered to the oversold area here. We don't know, maybe from here it's going to reverse, maybe it's going to continue down, guys, and also we're still there at the oversold area, because those ones, they are just oscillators, guys. Don't base your trading at them, and anyone he show you he basing his trading at oscillators or indicators, don't even follow him, because the most important fundamental second thing is price action, then using indicators as a filter or something like that, but to base your trading, because me I saw a lot of those days, a lot of people, they just basing trading of them out oscillators. Those people, they never ever make money from trading, guys, because anyone he using indicators, he never ever make money from trading. Me, I've been in the world of trading for long, guys, and I know what I'm talking about. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys, and here in 30 minutes, here, if you remember, also we enter long from here, from that level here, and we put stop loss here. Now the market is hitting for us the stop loss, guys, and today it's Monday candle, guys, so we need to make close eye at the Monday candle, how it's going to finish it, because Monday candle is going to tell us what the market is going to do all the whole week. And here, look at it, I showed you that one before. I told you we got here a triangle like that, and now it's breaking down, guys, as you see it. And another thing I tell it to you before, I told you got here a head and shoulder here, as you see it, and it's been breaking here in that level here, exactly here. It's breaking for you the lower of it, and now it continued down. So let's see if it's going to hold here at that level here or no. If it's not, I think we're still going falling down, guys. Here in 30 minutes me I'm talking, because tomorrow Monday, and if Monday close like that, maybe we're going to see it another going up. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicators, guys, what the same for the pictures to be more clear to you. Our indicator, it's still here at the oversold area. Price action, I show it to you now. Told you, you came here, look at it here, that one, and that one, where is it now? And you try to connect those dots like that, guys. Just make it like that, a triangle like that, and like that, as you see it, and you wait in the market to come and to break for you here that 200 moving average. Then you enter long, guys, take profit of you. It needs to be here in that place, because here our indicator is telling us we are at the oversold area. So we need to look in only for buy opportunity. There is no short opportunity here in 30 minutes. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after European market close. Bye for now, guys.